Hello guys, today is day 26. 25 episodes are put in a single playlist which is prior to this. So make sure you have seen all episodes because everything is picked up from our 2021 test series and is very much important for your prelims this year. So today June 2, we'll continue with Spectrum, which is a modern history textbook. So it will have questions outside the textbook also, but it will be relevant for your exam. Okay. So the first question, in Gandhiji's 11 points, which of the following bill or act was explicitly mentioned? Okay. Postal Reservation Bill, Trade Disputes Act, Salt Indianization Bill, Public Safety Bill. So most of them have been already asked in UPSC. That a very detailed question in recent times. So you have to know about all these kind of bills which happened in pre-independence time. Britishers have implemented law after law in almost every aspect. You take education, you take the caste, you take religion, the arrest, anything is there. Everywhere acts have been there. Somewhere bills, somewhere defeated. So that's also significant. So you have to know here Gandhiji's 11 points. First thing for mains also, you have to know the 11 points by heart. Okay, there is Gandhiji's 11 points, there is Jinnah's 14 points. All these things were like, I think 3-4 years back, we have already taught on our channel free of cost. It's there, Spectrum lectures. So you should know the 11 points. This is a screenshot from my lecture only. Lecture link is also given in my test PDF. Students can revise there. So here if you see the postal reservation bill to be accepted, that was one of the 11 demands. Okay, so here it's clearly given like what are the legislative related points, what is the rich class, what is the peasant class, that kind of every type of points we have classified and taught you. That is why Spectrum lectures are even now like more than 100 million people have saw that. So please see to it that these lectures are watched, and here more details you can just learn from the lecture. I am not explaining here for this particular question. Arrange the following in order of oldest to newest. Okay, Surat split, formation of Muslim League, Parliamentary reforms, third Delhi Darbar. So each of this is a very significant thing in the pre-British, pre-independence time. So if you see Delhi Darbar, there were three Darbars. So that also with timeline, who was the viceroy at that time, or what was the significant event which happened during that time that you have to study. Okay, we have a revision chart also. And then reforms, Parliamentary reforms or Montagu reforms, right from 1773 Regulating Act till the Independence Act of 1947. All the act are there in Polity chapter number 1 also, and also in Lakshmikant, also in Spectrum. And both we have taught free lectures on our channel. So please study that in detail because one question is surely going to come in your prelims. Okay, so 2 marks you will get bonus if you study only those chapters. Then Muslim League, the RSS, the BJP, this party formation timeline. Okay, that is also mentioned here and there in almost every section in Lakshmikant and Spectrum. So that also you have to know. And Surat split is very important event in INC. So you have to know that also. So 4213, 4123, 2143, 2134. Here it is 2134. First you will see the Delhi Darbar. Okay, Delhi Darbar, if you see, as I told, 1, 2, 3 is there. So 1878, 1903 and 1911. Okay, 1911 is the time when Delhi became the capital also. Till then Calcutta was the capital. So these people, Victoria, Edward and George, okay, VEG, wedge, that kind of thing you can remember. Okay, then it's very easy. And here it will be LCH. So wedge, LCH like that if you remember, then this table itself is over. Okay, so everything which has to be by hearted has to be by hearted. There is no other option for that. You cannot tell like I forgot, I have read it 10 times. There's no point. Okay, if the things which comes in exam is not by hearted, then you cannot clear this exam. Okay, so this proclamation Darbar, great famine which happened in the this time. Okay, then somebody came instead of someone. So that kind of things are crucial things. Okay, so only the 2-3 pointers we have given here. And Muslim League, 1906 it happened. Surat split 1907, which is also a very interesting story. Like what is Surat split and like the problem between Bal Gangadhar Tilak and others. So it's a very interesting story which I have taught you multiple times. Even in NCRT lectures I have told. Then Parliamentary reforms in 1909 and this one 1911. So this is the answer for that. Test series 2021 and 22, both people please come and contact me in WhatsApp. Okay, if you come in YouTube section or email, you will get a slower response. Okay, WhatsApp means it's like instant response. We'll give you the video link related to that. We'll tell you the procedure related to that. 2022 already I told June 10th is the time when it will be finally announced and enrollments will begin. Till then all the details are already published. Okay, see in this video you will see the details including the fee structure. Okay, 2021 is open and already many people have enrolled, and if you delay you will not catch up to them. Okay, today June 2, you have to start studying. Okay, the first test will be given next week. So by then there's a study timetable. You have to sit and study next 6 to 7 days. So please join now itself and try to get the timetable. Okay, and Vaish Courses channel also, please come and watch the videos. It is completely made for your exam. Okay, anything which you feel like is in news and you need an information in less than 10 minutes, we are covering it in a very detailed way. Okay, there are many channels which explains these topics, but I have not seen clear cut explanation in English language on YouTube. That is why I started this initiative. It's completely free. You just have to click subscribe and watch these videos. Okay, now which action was considered as the last nail in the coffin for British rule in India? Cabinet mission, INA trials at Red Fort, Royal Indian Mutiny, Japan's invasion of Burma. So all these again very crucial events, and which is already covered in Spectrum lecture. So this is why when students ask me like, sir, is Spectrum enough? Okay, nothing is enough for UPSC. But Spectrum, which was like a old 2016-17 edition, I'm telling, that itself had 20 chapters, and that actually starts from Vasco da Gama's entry into India till the independence. So it's like a span of 400-500 years history is covered in that, and we have taught it. When new editions of Spectrum comes, they will put new chapters. Okay, they'll simply split to an existing chapter, break into two, make 1857 revolt itself 2 chapters, or maybe post independence they will add. But that doesn't concern you, okay, because we have taught you entire thing from Vasco da Gama to 1947. So it's over. More than that, whatever he print doesn't matter. Okay, the author can keep changing the textbook. Post independence is a different section that is not needed for your prelims. That if needed, I'll do a separate video series. But for prelims, what is there in my video series free of cost, that is more than enough. But how to tackle the MCQs, you have to buy a test series. Okay, that's how you should study. So here, again, screenshot from the lecture. So Royal Indian Mutiny, and details are here. Okay, February 18, 1946, strikes in Bombay. So this you should know, like who supported and who did not support. Like the INC leader, Muslim League, all these people who were seniors, they told like, please withdraw this. They were against it. They were opposing it. Okay, but it was supported by Congress Socialist leader and Communist Party. So this kind of thing also, like Quit India movement, who supported and who opposed, or civil disobedience movement, who supported, who opposed. This kind of thing UPSC have asked in the past, so you have to know. Now, which are the following are achievements of Swarajist or pro changes? Okay, there's a detailed series of lectures about pro changes and no changes. So here what all happened, like Vallabhbhai Patel went on to become the speaker. They defeated the Public Safety Bill and Trade Dispute Bill. They exposed the shortcomings of parliamentary reforms. Okay, so sorry for this. So what is the achievements of Swarajist pro changers? Whether did they achieve all these things? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 2 only. This is in Spectrum test number 2, MCQ number 95. So my students can go and read the PDF. So first thing is Vallabhbhai Patel is not even a pro changer. He is one among the no changer. Okay, not a Swarajist. So it is actually Vittalbhai Patel who becomes the speaker. So that is wrong. So 1, if you eliminate, if you know that basic thing that Vallabhbhai Patel is not even a Swarajist, you can get like 2 and 3 and 2. So 2 will be correct. So they defeated the Public Safety Bill and Trade Dispute Bill. Now the third one, the timeline, okay, you should know. Okay, it is the shortcomings of the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms, not the Morlemento. Okay, it was happening that time, after the Suraj prison, after all these things. So that you should know the timeline. So detailed lecture is there. Link is again given. Students can watch it in my playlist, Spectrum playlist. So which are the following is false. Okay, so these are again very factual things, but all of them have at least once UPSC like picked up and asked. Like Bengal Gazette was the first newspaper in India, released in 1780. Rast Goftar was the first newspaper in Gujarati, published by Dadabhai Naoroji. Miratul Akbar was the Persian newspaper released by Maulana Abul Kalam. New India Daily was released by Annie Besant, while New India Weekly was by Bipin Chandra Pal. So it's like all newspaper related, which there is a detailed chapter in Spectrum. So you have to know all these things. It's very important. So here one of them is false. Okay, so which of them is false? Okay, student might not have read that question properly. It is asking for false. So Miratul Akbar, at least you know, but it's by Rajaram Mohan Roy. Okay, Rajaram Mohan Roy's works are very important. So at least that if you know, that is what UPSC will test. UPSC does not care if you correctly remember if it's Gujarati or this year 1780 is correct or this is a weekly or daily. UPSC will not ask you such trivial fact. They will ask you the very basic fact, and if you catch that alone, you will get the answer. Okay, so it was by Rajaram Mohan Roy. At least if you knew, you could have eliminated. Okay, then some details are given here. You can pause and see. Okay, and the explanation will be longer maybe in my PDF. You can go and check. Only for screenshot sake I have taken this much. Okay, so A, B and D are true and C is false. So please come and subscribe, because we are trying to keep the content alive. Okay, free content alive. If you will not subscribe, you will be forced to move it to again paid portal kind of system. So please see to that you hit subscribe. Okay, we have to take this worthy content to a level where almost every aspirant makes use of it. Okay, everybody deserves to study for free online. So please click subscribe. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.